Yo, what up boys and girls, this is Altered Tech back again with another video, and today I have a special surprise for you. So I hope you guys are having a good day, and you know what, it's about to get a lot better because in my hands I do have the Moto E5 Supra, which is the Moto E5 Plus variant for Cricket wireless. Now before I even unbox this guy, I would like to run down the specs with you guys from the official Cricket website. Now, let me just get this in focus. Alright, now this is a 6-inch HD Max Vision display, and as for the memory, it comes with 32 gigabytes of internal storage, and it does have a micro SD card slot for up to 128 gigabytes of additional storage. As for the connectivity, you do have 4G LTE, it comes with Wi-Fi, it does have Bluetooth 4.2, and it does have a micro USB. It is mobile hotspot eligible, and it does include a Wi-Fi manager. Now the Moto E5 Cruise also comes with the Wi-Fi manager, and basically what it is, it's a app by Cricket which allows you to automatically connect to any open hotspots, and it gives you Wi-Fi calling, so it gives you the best call service possible. Now as for the camera, this does come with a 12 megapixel with LED flash and full HD video. And as for the front camera, it does come with a 5 megapixel with a LED flash. Now, as for the HD voice, it is HD voice capable. As for the processor, it's a 1.4 gigahertz octa-core processor. And as for the battery, this is perhaps one of the greatest features of this phone, and I wish a lot of other phones did come with this capacity as well. This is a 5,000 milliamp capacity battery. That's right, 5,000 milliamp hours of juice. Now the Moto E5 Cruise, I believe it's a little under 3,000, so this is like basically almost double of my Moto E5 Cruise. So if you're really into your phone and you're always on your phone and you have issues with keeping your battery alive, this might be one of the most perfect phones for you, considering the price and the performance. Now let's unbox this guy. Now welcome to Cricket Nation, where we are glad you are here. Awesome. Now let's get connected. Let me just get this out real quick. First off, we do have the gel case pre-installed. Seems a little bit cloudy, a little bit dirty, but you know what, this should buy you some time to get a real case. And we do have the Let's Get Connected screen protector sticker on it, so let me just remove this real quick. Okay, you know what, I'll do it after. Now let's see what we have inside the box. Alright, we do have a SIM card tool. My Moto E5 Cruise did not come with this, and I was kind of surprised. I guess they were really trying to cut costs. Well, can't blame them because the phone was actually free when you did port in. Now we do have your quick start guide for the Moto E5 Supra. Actually, I am curious to see what kind of Moto features this actually comes with. I know the Moto E5 Cruise did not come with the flashlight chop feature, and it did not come with the twist your arm to activate the camera feature. Okay, unique Moto features. Oh sweet, now we do get chop twice for flashlight, and we do have twist for quick capture. Now these are the two features that I was actually missing out on the Moto E5 Cruise, and I'm really happy that they actually included it on the Moto E5 Plus. So big thumbs up, I'm really happy about that. So we do get our legal stuff info, and we do get our textbook of terms and conditions. Put this to the side. And as for the chargers, you got your little you got your power brick. Oh, whoa, this is turbo power, so does this mean fast charging? Okay, so this is the Moto E5 Supra charger. It does have turbo power, I guess it's for fast charging. And this is the Moto E5 Cruise. This is not fast charging. And what's actually funny about this is that the Play model for the G6 does not come with a turbo power charger, so that's just something to take note of. I know a Magic Tech reviewer, he believes that the Moto E5 Plus is superior to the Moto G6 Play, and honestly I think he might be right. We already have a better charger than the Moto G6 Play, but I will be doing a battle video with my sister who is using the Moto G6 Play. Now yes, this is the micro USB cable. It's not USB-C, which is a bummer. I do use the USB-C with my Nexus 6P, and since I've been using it, I just don't want to go back. Now let's check out the And just a quick comparison between this and the Moto E5 Cruise. With my eyes closed right now, I don't really feel much of a difference. This does feel a bit more bigger, but it's like not to say like it's that much of a big difference. In terms of weight, it doesn't really feel that heavy. Or maybe I've been spending too much time in the gym. Okay, add a fingerprint. Let's see how well this works. Fingerprint and password. Okay, so that was pretty quick. Okay, now we have the Cricket Wi-Fi Manager license. Now I'm not gonna use this because I don't want it to be constantly looking for Wi-Fi, because that could probably drain your battery. If it's constantly looking for like an open hotspot, that could, you know, cause some serious battery drain. Okay, so as for the wallpaper, the stock wallpaper, we get this green design, quite different from the Moto E5 Cruise. Now we do get our Facebook installed, Amazon Shopping. Okay, so these are the two bloatware apps that I'm seeing right now. Let's check out the Moto features. Okay, so this is the 32GB variant, and after everything is installed, this comes out with 26.14GB of storage straight out the box. So that's about 6 perhaps, 6GB taken up from just, you know, bloatware and the Android system. Now power for hours, you get power suggestions, so you get longer battery life, and you do have commute suggestions. Now for the features, Moto Actions, yes. Quick screenshot, chop twice for the flashlight, twist for a quick capture, swipe to shrink screen, I do like that, pick up to stop ringing, I do like that, flip for do not disturb, and Moto Display, which I completely love. Keep the screen on while you're looking at it. That's probably going to drain some battery, so no, I'm not going to put that. Moto Display, that's definitely going to be on. Night display, nah, I'm not sure I'm going to use that right now. Alright guys, as for the camera, let's see, twist to turn on. Nice. Alright, check out what we got. Okay, so what do we have? We have, for the photo modes, we have panorama, slow motion. Let's check out the settings. What kind of settings do we have? Shutter sound, quick capture, tap anywhere to capture, photo size 12 megapixel. Okay, video size. For the rear, we have a full HD 1080p 30 frames per second. Okay, that's for the, let's see, recording. Okay, we got that. HDR, we have auto HDR, auto flash, and we do have manual mode. So this is the Moto E5 series, and you're not really gonna get much features on the camera, so that's something to think about. Now another thing I would like to go through is, let's see, okay, let's check out the rear camera. Now we do have our flash, we do have our camera, and we do have what seems to be the laser autofocus hardware. Now let's see how this works. I know in my Moto G6 Play the autofocus was pretty horrible. It did not have this laser autofocus built in. So alright, twist the display. Okay, that's that. And focus. Focus. Let's get something closer. This. Focus. Focused. Focus. Focus. Okay, so the focus on this is pretty insanely quick. You know, MTR, Magic Tech Reviewer, you might have been right. This might be better than the Moto G6 Play. The camera so far looks to be a lot better than that. Okay. Mind you, the camera I'm using right now, the autofocus sucks, but believe me when I say it, the autofocus on this camera is amazing. Amazingly quick. Everything seems to be. Alright, let me try using manual focus. In focus. Okay, actually let me try this. Okay, focus. In focus. Focus. In focus. Focus. In focus. Now compared to the Moto G6 Play, the Moto G6 Play would search, and I really came out, like the video really did come out pretty choppy. So I will be battling my sister right now who loves her Moto G6 Play, so that should be an exciting video. That's it for the camera. So if you're more of a traveler and stuff, and you're not really too into watching videos and stuff, and you just want something light or like a good backup phone or a trap phone that's light, dependable, this is an amazing backup phone or a trap phone. If you want something like this but like with a bigger screen and better battery life, I would definitely recommend this phone. Now I will be doing some battery testing, and I'll let you guys know how much battery life I'll be getting, screen on time, my usage with this, the kind of apps that I use with it, how do I use this phone. I'll give you guys all the battery statistics in another video. And so far it's a great phone. I'm happy with my purchase. With a port-in to Cricket Wireless, this came up to $119. You could do it online or you could do it in store. It's up to you now, and I'll give you guys a full review video in the upcoming few days, and I will be giving you guys a battle video, Street Fighter style, between this and the Moto G6 Play. Alright guys, that's it for this video. I hope you guys are having a great day. Be sure to subscribe if you haven't. I'm still trying to get to 100 subscribers. Alright guys, that's it for today. Peace.
If you smell what the rock is cooking.